National Institute of Oceanography, Regional Center, Kochi. Our beloved scientist in charge, Dr. P.S. Parameswaran, is an eminent scientist, research guide, and a great human being. Sir, it's for you. Dr. P.S. Parameswaran, son of Sri Subrayan M. Brantiri and Srimati Kamalamma, was born on 23rd September 1955 in Irumbanam near Tripponithura. He completed his primary education from Karingachira Lower Primary School and Irumbanam High School in his hometown. He completed his pre-degree, graduation and master's degree in applied chemistry from Maharajas College during the period 1971 to 78. On completion of his master's degree, he joined as a UGC research scholar under the guidance of Professor Paul Vattakincheri, who was the first HOD of the Department of Applied Chemistry. Dr. P.S. Parameswaran started his career as a professor during the period 79 to 82 at St. Albert's College, Ernakulam. His life in NIU started as a trainee scientist in Goa for 1 year and was associated with the manganese nodule project launched by NIU, and this experience was a turning point in his life. He joined NIU as Scientist B in 1983 and serving us for the last 32 years in different positions. In 1984, he got married to Srimati Padmavati, a native from Thrissur district, and had 2 children. His son completed his PhD and is presently employed as a senior assistant professor in electrical engineering, Manipal. His daughter got married and now pursuing her MS from Georgia State University, Atlanta. Dr. P.S. Parameswaran was awarded with a doctoral degree in marine natural products in 1996 from Goa University. He underwent scuba diving training from Naval Diving School and lab safety training from Sunderland University, UK. He was with Stephen Institute of Technology, USA for a period of 2.5 years and was trying to develop drugs from the sea. He got opportunity to work in Italy with Dr. Simino on chemical ecology for a period of 6 weeks. Since joining in NIU, he has been studying different aspects of chemical oceanography in waters around India. His interest was mainly on the purification, structural determination and synthesis of bioactive compounds. During 1996 to 2004, he filed several patent applications, but none of them could be commercialized successfully. Closest was the anti-malarial drug from green mussels, which was characterized as diprolin zinc complex. The know-how was transferred to Shreya Pharmaceuticals in Mumbai, but had to be abandoned due to the side effects during monkey trials. He joined NIU RC, Kochi, as a scientist in charge during 2009. By nature, he is a very simple and down-to-earth person. He loves nature and gardening. His active participation in all the celebrations highlight his appreciation of arts and music. Dr. P.S. Parameswaran has carved Nike for himself in whatever field he chose. We congratulate Dr. P.S. Parameswaran for his dedication and commitment in his profession. His tenure was marked by his research contributions, guidance, and flexibility to students and colleagues. He has more than 70 publications with impact points 131 and has 457 citations. We really feel proud Dr. P.S. Parameswaran for his great contributions for the synthesis of bioactive compounds. He is a hardcore scientist and earned a good reputation as a chemical oceanographer. He is a teacher par excellence, having taught a variety of topics related to chemical oceanography. Above all, He's a very honest and transparent in his personal and public dealings. His work and work ethic will continue to influence future generations via the research students he has guided. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Parameswaran for his support, kindness, patience and guidance. Sir, we wish you the very best as you are going to open a new chapter in your life where you will continue to mold life around you.